we're going to do a little bit of yoga, a little bit of stretching, and we're just going to open up the body, we're going to open up those muscles, and we're just going to relax out. So what we're going to do to start is we're going to get in a tabletop position. So from here, we're just going to, nice and neutral, this position here, what you're going to do is get your right leg, and you're just going to put it out in front of you. And what we're going to do here is just stretch out those hamstrings. So have your left hand on the ground for support, and straighten out that right leg, and you're going to feel that nice deep stretch in the back of the right leg and the hamstring there. And from here, we're just going to take a nice big deep breath in and breathe out. Nice. Again, if you want to have your hand on your knee, on the upper shin, down at your ankle, or if you can touch your toes, excellent, but just again, just try and relax into it, don't force it too much. Again, take a nice big deep breath in, breathe out, and just try and reach a little bit further. Again, after yesterday's class, my hamstrings are a little bit tender, they're a little bit tight, so I can really feel this sort of pinch and open up the back of the legs. That was a tough class yesterday, if I must say. Again, take a nice big deep breath in and breathe out. And again, as I'm breathing out, I'm just trying to get a little bit lower down the shin and just trying to get a little bit deeper into that hamstring stretch. There we go. Today's just going to be a lot of floor work. We're not going to be standing in this yoga class. We're just going to be working from the floor, stretching off the hamstrings, stretching off the quads, stretching off the hips. Take a nice big deep breath in again. Breathe out, let go. Excellent. So you can see that I started holding onto my knee, and then I'm all the way down to the bottom of my shin, touching my ankle. And again, just make sure you're doing it at your own flexibility and your own mobility as well. Last breath cycle, take a nice big deep breath in. Breathe out. If you want, you can tuck your chin to chest, and you just feel a little bit of a nerve stretch coming from your back, up along your upper back, and also down the back of your leg. It'll just feel a little bit nervy. And again, just come out of that chin to chest if it doesn't feel comfortable. And then you can go back in, chin to chest. Coming back out. Again, you can just feel that intensify the stretch a little bit more. From here, bring that right foot back into tabletop position. And then we're just going to repeat that on the left hand side. So again, we're going to have a right hand out for support, and we're just going to bring that left leg out in front of us. And again, you can see that this left side for me is quite tight. I can't really fully lock that knee out just yet, but hopefully in the next few breath cycles, we'll be able to unlock those hamstrings. So again, I'm going to start at the top of my knee, and we're just going to take a nice big deep breath in. Breathe out, let go. Good. Again, just letting the back of that leg do its own thing. Don't force anything. Take a nice big deep breath in. Breathe out. Lower down we go. Just hold in that position. Excellent work. Again, just focusing on that breathing. If you want to do the chin to chest. just coming back out, chin to chest, just coming back out. Excellent. Again, take a nice big deep breath in, breathe out. Just looking at getting that deeper stretch in those hamstrings. Oh goodness, this one is really tight tonight. Just spend a couple of extra few breath cycles on the left side here. Try and loosen this area off. And again, nice big deep breath in. Breathe out. Last breath cycle, big breath in. And breathe out. From here, just bring that left leg back into tabletop position. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to go into a lunge position. We're going to bring that right knee to the outside of the right hand, like so. So from here we get those nice 90-degree angles. Both hands on the ground. Again, if you want to do fingertips, you can do fingertips. If you want to go onto your palms, go onto your palms. And from here you're going to feel a nice deep stretch in the inner thigh and down the hips as well. From here, just nice belly breathing. Breathe in through the belly. Breathe out. And what I'm looking to do is try and push that right knee and those hips a little bit further forwards each time I'm breathing in and out. Nice big breath in. Breathe out. Good. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to do some back mobilization. You're going to have your right hand, it's going to go over your left hand. From here, you're going to touch your left, you'll breathe in. As you breathe out, you'll go towards the right foot. Again, breathe in and the way down. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And again, just move at your own pace. Move at your own rhythm that feels comfortable to you. But all you want to do is when you're at the top, pause for a couple of seconds and then come back down, touch the left hand, back up, touch the left hand, back up, good. Here we go, breathe in, and out, breathe in, and out. Last one, touch the hand, come all the way up, stretch, bring that right hand back into the inside of the right foot. From here we're going to go into active lizard, so take a big breath in, breathe out, push that knee off the ground, left knee comes up, and breathe out. Just hold that position, so we're just intensifying that stretch in the inner thigh and down the left hip as well. Again, just focus on your breathing. Bring that left knee back down to recover. From here, what we're going to do is we're just going to reach right up to the sky as far as we can. You can feel that lovely deep stretch in the left hand side and the left front of the thigh. You're going to breathe in, come down, breathe out, up we go. Good, breathe in, breathe out. Good work, breathe in, breathe out. And again, we're just sinking those hips as deep as we can into the stretch. And again, here just opening up the chest activating the upper back. Breathe in, come down, breathe out, reach up, there we go. Reach as far and as high as you can with those fingertips. Breathe in, back down, one more time, breathe back up. Bring those palms down to the ground again. And the right hand inside the right foot, active lizard, and up. Just really stretching out these hips tonight. That lower body class really tightened up the legs, tightened up the hamstrings, the hips, the backside. So we need to open all those areas out, especially when we sit around at a desk all day. Working from home just now, we need to really open up those hips, bring that knee back down. Excellent. From here, we have two variations of this stretch. Level one is we can be here and we can open up the hips in the lunge position, or advanced, we can have our left hand down. What you're going to do is you're going to get your right hand, you're going to collect your left leg, that left hand's going to come out, and you're going to open up into this position here. So the right hand has collected that left leg, and now you're pulling that heel to the back side, and you can really feel that deep quad stretch. Go towards the right knee that's out, and breathe, and breathe, and relax. This is a very advanced stretch, so if you want to stay in the lunge position, stay there. Take a nice big deep breath in. Breathe out. One more time, big breath in. And out. And come back down. Good work, guys, if you were able to get into that position. Right hand inside the right foot, back into tabletop position. From here, we're just going to do the exact same on the left. Left foot coming out to the left hand side. Oh boy, do my hips feel nice and warm. There we go. Excellent work, guys. That was a tough stretch. If anybody was able to do that, excellent work. Again, just done a few yoga classes together, so don't feel that you need to be doing those advanced stretches just yet. We can work our way into those. From here, we want that nice, we want to make sure our hips are nice and deep into this stretch. Pushing the left knee forwards. Nice big breath in. And breathe out. Take a nice big deep breath in. And breathe out. From here, we're going to get into those upper body rotations. We're going to get that left hand touching the right hand. Breathe in, breathe out, come away towards the left knee, back down, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Some people might find that one side is a lot more mobile than the other. You can maybe get around further with your left knee forwards, or you can get round further with your right knee forwards. Again, whatever side's stiffer, just work on that during the week to just get it caught up with the side that's more mobile. There we go. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one, touching the right hand, all the way up, reach up, pause, and back down, left hand inside the left foot. From here, we're going into active lizard, just bringing that right knee up, and breathe in, knee up, and breathe out. So again, just intensifying that lunge position, really opening up the right hip and the left inner thigh. You guys are doing great. Just hold that position. Make sure you're focusing on your breathing. Breathe in through the belly. Breathe out. Breathe in through the belly. Breathe out. Last breath cycle, big breath in. And out. Bring that knee back down. And again, we're just going to reach up to the sky. We breathe in, sweep down, breathe out, sweep up. Breathe in, sweep down, breathe out, sweep up. Sweep down, sweep up. Breathe in and the way down, breathe out and the way up. Last one, big breath in and out. Open up the chest, open up those fingertips. Feel as if there's a helium balloon attached to the top of your head and lifting you up towards the ceiling. Up nice and tall. And back down, all the way down, nice and slow. Good. From here, again, on the right hand side, we're now moving over with the left leg forward. You can be in this position here. Just every time you breathe in and out, you can go into this deep lunge position and hold that. Or we can enhance that stretch by stretching out the quad as well. Right hand's going to be on the ground, left hand's going to collect the right leg. You're just going to sit your hips back. You're just going to collect, and then you're going to push forwards like so. And you're going to open up the chest towards the left knee. And again, just go to where you feel comfortable. If you need to take your hips back a wee bit, you take them back a wee bit. If you can push them through, excellent. Again, from here, a nice big deep breath in. And out. Good. Again, this is a really advanced stretch. So if you need to come out of it, if this is a bit too long for you, you can just let your foot go and then come back in. Just make sure you're making this class work for you, all right? Take a nice big deep breath in. Open up that chest, breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Just letting go of that foot slowly, bringing it back down. And from here, back into tabletop position. And from here, we're just going to sit back, stretch out the side of those shins, nice and gentle. Take a nice big deep breath in through the belly, last one. Breathe out. And done, guys. Excellent work today. I hope you enjoyed this class. A little bit tougher than normal, but if you get through it, you're on the right track. I'll see you next time.